everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I've got an unboxing for you guys. It is the BeautyFix by Dermstore subscription box right here. Getting dark. I've been getting this box for a year now and I've really enjoyed getting this box and using the products. Granted, there are some in here that's kind of like womp, you know, but for the price and the products that you get, you know, it's a good payoff right there. Alright, this is for the month of August, and here it is again right here. And you know when I got it? There's something in here that... okay. Alright, let's see what's making that noise. Healthy skin and hair begin here. And here is the little pamphlet that tells you about the box. And there it is right there. Nice stuff in here, nicely packed. Now here, this is the pamphlet again that tells you what's in this box and the theme of the box. And what I like about it is also gives you 20% off coupon. If you like any of the products that you see here, you can go to their website in that month and get a 20% off with the products that are in here. So with the monthly subscription, it costs $24.95 a month if you get it a monthly subscription, or a one-time fee of $34.95. If you like the box that the month that we're in and you just want to get it one time, it's $34.95. But for $24.95 a month, you get at least 6 products with at least one full-size product in here that costs more than the subscription itself. So I think it's a good deal. Alright, let me get my glasses here and let's start seeing what's in this box. This month's theme is Ready, Set, Jet. Summer might be coming to an end, but it's not over yet. Pack your bags for a spontaneous overnight trip or jet set on that long-awaited vacation you've been saving up for. Yeah. Wherever you go, down the street or across the globe, here's a whole box of travel-ready beauty to take with you. Alright, that's nice. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, first thing here is I see something from Beauty Blender. This is the BeautyFix. I believe that's how you say that. Oh, so it's just a flattened beauty blender. It's a sponge. Okay, that's cool. Now what do you do? Oh, and it comes with the Beauty Blender cleanser. Oops. And it comes with the cleanser. Okay, I wonder what do you use a flattened beauty blender for? Let's see here. This is where this comes in handy. It says here, leave the words oily, shiny, and sweaty at home. Yes, because I do have combo skin. I do get oily right here, so this will be nice. Compact enough for a purse or pocket, this sponge absorbs oil without smearing your makeup. Okay, I like that. Alright, next here we have something called Hum. This is dietary supplements, 7 vegetarian tablets that promotes a restful beauty sleep, melatonin, and B6. Alright, here it is right here, some supplements. Alright, for this, it says jet lag, I don't know her. Promote a deep and restful sleep with this drug-free, vitamin-rich blend. Okay, I have to let you know I'm not really big on taking supplements or vitamins. I probably should because of my age, but we'll see. I'll have to look in the ingredients and see what this has. Alright, ooh. Next we have an apple cider vinegar scalp scrub with pink Himalayan sea salt. I believe the brand is DP Hue ACV. And it's kind of gushy in there. Yes, the brand is DPU. Whether it's a sand or sea or hotel shampoo, some things don't do your scalp any favors. Find quick relief with this detoxifying scrub. I have been really enjoying scalp scrubs lately. Did that sound right? Scalp scrubs. Scalp scrub. I really do like the Briogeo, this charcoal scalp scrub, and I just finished the Christopher Robin one, so this one will come in handy. Alright, here we have something Whitening Mint Marvis. I believe this is toothpaste. This looks like a toothpaste. Finally, a travel-sized toothpaste you want to keep using even after vacation. Whiten, freshen, and protect on the go. Okay, we'll see how this works. I mean, I still like my Crest, my regular Crest toothpaste, so we'll give this a try. Alright, we have a small sample of the Skin Medica. This is the TNS Eye Serum, Eye Repair Serum. Red-eye flights, hotel beds, and sleeping bags don't make for the best sleep conditions. Wake up tired eyes with this top-rated eye cream. I like this one. I like anything from Skin Medica so far. Alright, next up we have First Aid Beauty. This is the Lip Therapy. Dry air, fruity cocktails, and too much sun can be especially dehydrating on your lips. Repair and protect with this antioxidants-rich balm. Okay, that's nice. Alright, we have something here from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Lip Paint. And I can see here, I think this is one of the full-size items that is in here. Let's see the shade here. Why waste precious bag real estate with lip colors when one will do? This ultra pigmented rosy nude will complement every single outfit. All right, here it is right here. You know, I'm not going to swatch this because I may give it to a family member or I may give it in a giveaway. So watch out for that one. All right, next here we have, oh, here's that sound that we were hearing. This is Sakawan. I think that's how you say this. The Dry Powder Shampoo. This one here I know my daughter will love because she loves using dry shampoo. I myself do not use dry shampoo. And this one here says, raise your hand if you hate washing your hair on vacation. Bring this along to extend your style for a day or two without oil and buildup. Yeah, dry shampoo on my hair, because I have thinning hair, I like to wash it almost every day to give it that lift. So my daughter will enjoy getting this one. And you know, I wonder if this is a full-size item here because this is the second item listed here. I'm going to put the prices of some of these products here on the bottom of the screen to let you know if it is a full-size or travel-size product. All right, here we have a bar of soap from Erno Laszlo. This one here is a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. It says here, your vacation may not involve Dead Sea floating. That'd be nice. But you can still get the restorative skin benefits with this travel size cleansing bar. Oh, there's one more thing in here. All right, here, this is by Chlorine. I believe that's how you say it. This is eye patches. It says here, it's smoothing and relaxing patches with soothing corn flour. Step off the plane refreshed and confident. You never know who you'll meet in an airport with these soothing and refreshing eye patches. There's 7 patches in here. Wow. There you go. So yeah, you get 7 patches in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's one of them right there. All right. You know I love masking. Just saying. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products in here. That is pretty nice. And I'll put down here the price of some of these items if, you know, if they're the full size or travel size. I mean, something like this, these are just samples, so I won't put the prices on this one, but maybe something like this and this, I'll put the prices on. But so far I am liking this month's. I mean, I like this one because of my oily skin and the scalp scrub. Probably the only 2 things I'm not crazy about is the supplements and the dry shampoo, but my daughter would like this one, so it's all good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.